Daily login quiz. Students will be required to log into the virtual class daily to check for announcements, messages, or assignment changes. When you log in, you must complete the day's login survey that will be located in the weekly module. So when you log in, you're going to see here is the weekly module, and you will click on the day that you are supposed to log in. Once you're in the login, you merely just have to press the Submit Quiz button to receive credit. You will not receive credit unless you complete the day's login survey quiz. Now, there's no specific time for you to log in. For example, if you're assigned virtual 12 during first period, you don't have to log in during that time. You just have to make sure that by the end of the day you do complete the quiz. Now, your daily login will count as 10% of your grade, so you want to make sure that you do this every single day. The only days you don't have a login quiz will be on holidays. Pre-planned holidays are the only days we don't have a login quiz. Now, when you log in to do your quiz, essentially I want you to check for new announcements. You want to look at the inbox here to see whether or not you have any new emails from me, and then you also want to look at all of the information that I've provided here and see if I've added any new assignments or any new content. So again, you must log in daily, take the quiz by simply clicking on the day and then hitting the submit button, and that will be 10% of your grade.